So my wife has been all over me about fixing this leaning fence post in my backyard. One side of it's leaning over and it's falling down in my backyard, but today I'm going to fix it. One of the fence posts is completely rotten out and broken, and the fence is falling over and it just looks awful. I wanted to tear the fence down, but then I came across this rotten fence post repair kit on Amazon. This kit is really cheap and I can fix it pretty easily, so I'm going to try to get a few more years out of the fence and fix it in just a few minutes. This crappy fence is not only falling down, but it also has some of my kids' walnut graffiti written all over it. But that's their problem to fix. So the kit is basically just these two brackets that bolt together to hold up the fence. One of the brackets you drive down in the ground next to the rotten fence post. The other you screw into the existing falling fence post. My fence post is completely rotten out, so if it works on this one, it'll work on your post. I'll put a link to this kit in the video description and comments below for your convenience. The kit comes with all the needed hardware like nuts and screws, and also some washers used for leveling the fence post. There's also this socket needed to drive the nuts and screws, as well as a drill bit used for drilling pilot holes into the fence post. All you need for this job is a drill and a hammer, or even a dead blow. I went ahead and picked up the 2-pack of this fence post kit because I figured I might need a second one at some point. The second one's like half off when you buy the 2-pack, so for me it made sense. Again, you can find links to this below. To get started, my son helped me by propping the fence back up and holding it into place. Once we got the fence situated about where it needed to be, I then tapped down the fence post in the ground with my dead blow hammer. This sort of helped to set it back where it should be, as it was completely broken off and rotted right at the ground. Next, we just need to hammer the bottom bracket into the ground right next to the fence post. With the bottom bracket in place in the ground, I then dry fit the top bracket just to check its fit and see how level and square it was. For me, it was fairly level after getting it into place, so I didn't even mess with the included leveling washers to get it perfect. Next, I started the nuts on the bottom bracket, getting them just hand tight, and then I checked how square it fit once the bracket slid into place. With the top bracket squared up against the rotten post, I then tightened the nuts down all the way using the included socket and my drill. With the bottom bracket secured, you can now drill into the fence post for pilot holes with the included drill bit. I was worried with as rotten as this fence post was that there wouldn't be enough decent wood to hold it in place, but it didn't feel too bad when drilling into it. After the pilot holes are drilled, you just shoot in the lag bolts, again using the included socket. Once the lag bolts are tightened down, we're done. The fence is now standing upright and it looks so much better. It's no longer falling down in the yard and doesn't look like crap anymore. Now I just need to get my boys to do their part and clean off their graffiti. Again, I'll put links to this rotten fence post repair kit from Amazon down below for your convenience. I'd give it an A+. I was able to get this fence back up in just a few minutes and hopefully make the wife happy. She'll be especially happy once that graffiti's gone and the kids do their part.
Come on, Jack. It's not coming off.
Coming off?
Yeah.
Mine's not.
Alright, good luck with it. If it doesn't work, we're getting the pressure washer.
Oh, we already have one, right?
Yeah, we got 2 of them.
Then why don't we use it?
Because you're doing it the hard way first. Got him! Jack, come on, man.
He did it to me.